Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Vantech H1 Ladder Rack for box trucks and trailers. Let's get into it. Okay, what we have here is a Vantech H1 Ladder Rack for box trucks and trailers. It's kind of a universal kit. You just select the width that's going to work with your particular application, and then you get it to work. And what we have here is partially unboxed already. I did the hard part of getting it out of the Vantech packaging because they package this so tightly, so well. I already have it out of the main box here, but we do have our 4 bars here. This one is a 4-bar kit. It's white and it's steel. There's going to be aluminum option as well as a black option. And the sizing is going to vary a little bit depending on the option that you choose. So what we have here are 4 crossbars. They're a 2x1 inch crossbar. Now each crossbar does give you 250 pounds of load capacity. Of course, typically the limiting factor with a rack like this isn't going to be the rack, it's going to be the actual roof that you're going to be installing this on. That's going to be the limiting factor for your roof. So I just have 2 here unboxed. I want to show you these uprights here because this is another difference with this kit. And you can choose between a side mount kit or a top mount kit. I want to show you what that means. So right here we have our uprights. So these sit on the edge of the trailer or the box truck. And this one happens to mount to the side as a side mount application. And so these work together to mount to the side of the trailer or the box truck, however that works, versus a top mount, which is going to be kind of a 90-degree right here. It's going to sit on top of your trailer or on top of your box truck, whatever it may be. I just want to show you an example of what one of those uprights look like. This is actually for a van. It's for a Ford Transit. But your top mount's going to look a lot like this. It's going to be a flat surface. You're going to mount down into the top of the application as opposed to this, which is going to mount onto the side. Now there are a couple components for attaching to the side. I'm not entirely sure how it all works right now, but we do have a plate right here. We do have one upright right here, and there's going to be 6 of these, or excuse me, 8 of these, because it is a 4-bar application. Got another one here. So those crossbars slide into this little slot right here, and you use 2 self-threading screws to attach it to your upright. And right here we have some more of those little plates. Open our next box here. Again, we have more of those uprights. The thing I love about Vantech packaging is everything is individually wrapped in plastic wrap, cut down on scratches and ruining the finish and all of that. Now the top of these uprights do have like a little rubber dip cap, if you will. Now what makes these unique are these little adapters right here. Now the way that you purchase these ladder racks for the box trucks and trailers is you buy kind of a width range. You're gonna buy between 70 and 78 inches. So you're gonna have an 8-inch kind of tolerance of widths that'll work with all those widths in between those 2 measurements. And you get this little guy that gives you a lot of adjustment in that crossbar. So the way that it works is one of your crossbars is going to slide into this. And as you can see, there's 4 locations right here that you can secure it to. And that gives you that adjustment depending on your particular needs for your application. I believe you use 2 per side, so there'd be 1 on your left, 1 on your right, and that way you get that full 8 inches of adjustability. Now this is a steel kit, but it does appear that these are aluminum. And we have, let's see, 4 of them right here. Now we do have in here an installation guide from Vantech. Tells you the tools you need. It's got your part number on here. Got a parts list. It's one of the great things about Vantech is they give you a full parts list, what exactly should be in the box. So if you're missing anything, you can quickly identify it. And then illustrated guide on how to install this on your particular application. Like we have a couple of these foam self-adhesive backing strips here, probably to keep everything watertight. Got some more of our extension tubes more of our uprights. And then we've got all of our hardware right here. So this does look like a collection of self-threading screws. These look like they might be stainless steel. Same here. In here we do have some hardware packs with some steel plates, looks like, and then stainless carriage bolts, washers, lock nuts. Same thing in here, same thing in here, same thing in here. Our final box. We have some more accessories along with some uprights. Have some of those foam strips. Looks like we've got, what, 8 of them? So this could be used in conjunction with your uprights there. We do have our bar guards. These are little rubberized strips, self-adhesive on the back that are gonna go along the top of your crossbars. Gonna protect the crossbar as well as your ladders or whatever you're gonna be hauling up there on the roof. Included. Again, more of these uprights right here. And that's everything in the boxes. Now, like I did mention, these do hold 250 pounds per crossbar. So with a 4-bar system, that's 1,000 pounds of load capacity that this system can handle. Typically, your limiting factor is going to be the actual roof of the application. You want to make sure that that roof can withstand that type of weight that you'd be putting on it. But these can hold quite a bit of weight. Again, you can get this in steel. We have steel here. You can get it in aluminum. You can get it in black or white. You can get it in a 2-bar, 3-bar, or 4-bar configuration. And again, you can go with that side mount or that top mount. And then there's also the varying width options. I think there's 4 or 5 different width options that all have that 8-inch tolerance in there. So you can choose something that's gonna work for your particular application. Again, this is primarily used for those box trucks and the trailers. Occasionally we get requests for people who want to put a rack on, you know, a camper or something like that, and this would be a good use of this application as well. Now, if you're looking for this Vantech ladder rack or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.